Gobhi Manchurian. Recipe: take 1 kilogram cauliflower and add salt. Cornstarch 2 tablespoons. Red chili powder. White pepper. Black pepper. Add some water for mixing. Mix it well and marinate for 30 minutes. Let's cook. Deep fry marinated cauliflower. Set aside. Add 2 chopped onions. Add a spoon garlic paste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add ½ cup tomato sauce. Add 1 spoon of oyster sauce. Add a spoon of chili sauce. Two spoons soya sauce. Add 1 spoon white pepper. Add fried cauliflower. Mix it gently. Delicious and healthy Manchurian is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.